Till 2012, I had a wonderful job at a billion-dollar private equity fund in Mumbai. But then one day, I decided to quit and become an entrepreneur. Till then, I was traveling business class, staying in expensive hotels, and now I was totally on my own. Then one day, I had to go to Delhi. I had a bunch of meetings, and my first meeting was in Gurgaon, and the last meeting was in Noida. In some sense, like the two extremes of the Delhi NCR region. And then I thought, why take a cab? It'll be so expensive. And I said, let me just take the metro. It'll save money and possibly even be more, it'll be faster. So I went through the meetings one by one, and evening 6 o'clock, I had my last meeting in Noida. I got done. I was tired and exhausted. And then I reached the metro station. So this was the last metro station, so the train would reverse and start from there. So I was waiting for the train to come, and as it started coming, I thought I'll wait for my chance, and when my turn comes, I'll get in. But when the train stopped and the doors opened, suddenly there was a massive stampede. People were running and pushing, and in that stampede, somebody pushed me from behind, and I stumbled, and I would have almost fallen and possibly broken my jaw or something. But somehow, I just managed to avoid stumbling and falling completely. And then I realized that all this rush was just to get some seats in the metro. But that's fine. I got in, and then as the train started going back, I was thinking and reflecting that just a month ago, my office would have booked luxury cabs to pick and drop at different points. They would have called up and coordinated. Everything would have been smooth. But then, in my job, which was a wonderful job, I would not have been able to pursue my dreams. Going from business class flights to traveling and to surviving stampedes in a metro, that was the price of my dreams. If you really, really, really want something, you have to be willing to pay a price for that. Nothing in life comes free, not even your dreams. Thank you for listening. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.